Working on a horse farm for 2 weeks as Workaway is such a unique experience that I want to share with you what I did basically every day. First thing in the morning, to feed them with hay.
Good. Oh, good.
Cool.
Pepper. Pepper is the house on the circus, from the circus. So he's a little bit flighty. Easy to be frightened. Pepper! It's okay, I'm just haying you. He couldn't get outside because he got some allergy to the grass, which is a pity for a horse.
The space in the stable is tricky for barrels to turn around or whatever, so it's essential to measure the correct distance and the best rod to give hay.
Such a smart design.
This is the design for horses who need diet, because they need a little bit difficulty to eat, or they get too fat. Old Yuli needs special food because his teeth are not strong enough to chew hay anymore. After 6 barrels of shit, Remy suggests that we clean the whole paddock a little bit.
Why?
It cleans the paddock a little bit.
But they will decompose here.
I know, but it's still just good to do it every now and then.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. It's huge.
It's not that big. And
She doesn't want to go back.
Hey. You know.
Ginger. Ginger. Good boy.
Come on.
The fences are electricized. We can turn that off while letting in and out the horses. Someone is very excited.
Okay, from down to up. There is actually a lot. And it's hard to pick them up.
This is so dumb.
I don't think we are using the right tool. Do you think the sweeper would be nicer?
I don't know anything.
What if I put it here and you scoop them inside
Oh
my...
yeah. Now we're talking.
Better. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that seems to be the way to do it.
Cool.
That will do. Okay, that's half of it. So hard. I hate this job. Can I just like chuck this over here?
5 minutes ago. Let's do the whole paddock. It just be one cart, one barrel.
Oh wow, actually it's more than I thought.
I told you.
Yeah.
As far as I can see, it's
Okay,
a lot.
lift it, like angle it up and then.
Come on, feed me with shit. I mean, I'm speaking, but
Professionalism.
Mika. Okay. No, Miley! 9. Oh,
9 is the most useful German word on a farm for horses and dogs.
9. 9. No.
Miley is the horse who likes me the
No.
most, but sometimes that's a bit annoying too. Other horses poop in a certain place, but Miley never does that. His pooping habit is not tamed by humans. Proud of him.
What?
The other reason I feel close to him
让一下
is he looks kind of like one of my exes.
One last poop. 让一下。啊！哎呀，你好烦呀！
Horses will lick your hand because they need salt. That's why
I
every
know
stable
that one.
has a crystal-like salt near the hay.
Bye. Nine. Miley. Okay.
Getting rid of poop is the hardest part. I was worried about falling into the sea of poop every time I did this. If time permits, we can ride in the afternoon. I was so lucky to have Remy as my co-worker and coach.
Okay. Come on. 9. Romino.
Get it?
I think so.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Good corner. Keep him going. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Alright, come on.
Come on.
Ready to trot?
Trot.
I'm fascinated about riding horses before, thinking it's one of the few, if not only, sport in which human and animal cooperate with each other, not use, dominate, or gamble.
Ooh.
Wait, keep him going.
No.
Oh, it's okay. You said woo, and that's what you wanted?
Yeah. Because I'm nervous.
Hey, good job. See if we can get a high
Good
five.
job, Romino. Good
High
job.
You're learning to ride.
Anyway, it's great experience, and I recommend Workaway strongly. It's not advertisement, because you can have a lot of fun and a lot of experience you haven't had before.
Cool.